Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video I'll show you guys this cool little application you can download for free from the Microsoft Store, and it's for Windows 10 and 11 devices that supports it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it in this video and also showcase some of the cool features they have in this application. I find it actually pretty nice that Microsoft is finally implementing this application and these features as well into Windows natively, which is very good, and we don't have to rely on installing third-party apps which can pose a threat to some users because it sometimes contains malware. We don't know what third-party apps do in the background, so it's very suspicious sometimes you download those applications. But right now we have a solution for you guys that you're worried about all those things. You can download straight from Microsoft and it is free from the Microsoft Store. So let's get into it right away. Alright, so you can see on my screen I'm in my PC, my desktop, my main PC, and I've already installed the PC Manager, but I'm going to show you guys how to install it from scratch. So all you have to do is go to the Microsoft Store right here. You can just click on the Microsoft Store icon, or you can just search for the Microsoft Store and you should be able to open it like this one. And I just need to search for the PC Manager. It should be like this, PC Manager. And once you load the search result, you can see the one on the first one should be the one you want to go for. It's by Microsoft, so you open it, Microsoft PC Manager, and it's from Microsoft Corporation. So this is the one you want to install to get it started. So I already installed it, so I'm just going to open it. So click open, and there you go. So this is the application. It's a very small little application, but it's actually all in one. You don't have to worry about installing any other things. It's all built in already. So this is the home screen. So you open it, you'll see this. So basically you get your overall idea of your PC's memory usage, the temporary files, and also like health check and processes running, deep cleanup for your main local disk, and also the startup time. So this is just an overview of your PC in general, and you can actually like boost your device straight away right here. You can click on the health check, you can see the processes running, and also you can just take a look at like what are the things you want to clean up, and also the startup time. So these are all the basic stuff in the home screen. We also have the protection tab. This one is really like Windows Defender. Actually, it's the same one using Windows Defender actually as its backbone. So you can scan for viruses and threats over here right away. You can check for Windows updates as well. You got the default browser settings. You can change it. Now it's on Chrome for me. We have also taskbar repair, which is pretty interesting. I think this is something new. I didn't really see this baked into Windows natively, but this is really nice. You can actually repair the items on the taskbar which have corrupted. So mine is okay, so I didn't have to do any repairing. But that's very nice as well. You can restore the taskbar experience. Restore default apps also as well. You can actually change the applications that open like PDF documents. Right now you can see mine is Adobe Acrobat, my web page is Google Chrome, and so on. So that is very nice. You can change it all from here as well. We also have the pop-up management. I think this one is to enable pop-up blocks in apps, but mine is currently disabled. And yeah, so very nice. You can have everything in this application all ready to go. You can just run all the protection features that you want to run in this section over here. And next up we have the storage management. So this one is almost the same like the storage management we have in the settings, but this one is really minimalistic. We have your local disk. You can see mine is almost full. We have the deep cleanup. I think this will do a scan on the items you have, or the documents, or anything you have in the disk drive. We also have to manage large files. I think this one will just look for large files based on the filter you set and the type of files. And then we have the storage sense. So this is the same one I think in the settings. So you click storage sense, it does open settings. So yeah, so that's the same one. And for apps, you can see the process management and what application is running in the background right now. You also can look at the startup apps as well. This one actually is very similar to the one in the task manager, which I'm going to show you. So task manager as well has startup apps. You can see it's almost the same. This one is just showing more details, but over here is just a very simple view. You can just turn it off and on from here as well, so that's very handy. Toolbox, this one you can turn it on. It will show a toolbox somewhere here on your screen, and you can actually customize the shortcuts, and you also can have custom links as well, which is I think is pretty cool to have. If you just want to click on something right away at the side, you can just open that application. That's very cool. And also we have settings. This one really just basic settings to like turn off boost settings, shortcut settings, general settings, and so on. You can sort of start this application manually, automatically actually, if you sign to Windows. But for me, I'll turn it off, and I want to use it, then I'll just open it. And yeah, I think that is actually all for this software. Very simple application. So if I click boost, you can see it does clear out my RAM usage. It's going down, you can see, and it clears my temporary files as well, which is fantastic. So pretty much my PC is cleaned up already, just like that. And you can also set a smart boost in the settings, but it's off for me. You can actually turn on, and it will actually automatically clear the RAM usage and also the your temporary files. If your PC will do it on its own, you don't have to worry about anything. And but you still don't want to on this, you can just do it manually as well. That's fine. For the health check, this one you can actually clean up some of the cache on your Windows PC as well, temporary files, possibly left by other applications. You can just run it over here. You can proceed. It will just clear up everything, and it's done. So that's how I do it. And a deep cleanup will clear like some of the system files, like Windows installation files. So okay, I can select all of these if I don't want. I can clear all the cache of my applications if I want to, or you can just select which one you want and then just proceed. It will just do everything. So yep, and then done. So that is very simple to use, and I think this application is gonna be very good for a lot of users which are not very tech savvy. They just want to get it installed and just run and just boost, just run that scan and just clean. Just pretty simple. Don't have to do much configuration. Actually, just download the application. It's very straightforward, and you can just use it as it is. So yeah, I think users don't have to download any third-party apps, which is fantastic. And I think Microsoft finally really released something good for once. I think PC Manager is a pretty good software to use as a Windows user, general user, and it's not that heavy as well. This application is not too heavy. It's pretty okay for me. I mean, yeah, it's okay. I mean, the RAM usage is not that bad, but it is a very nice app to have. It is a very nice app to have in my opinion. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Showcase you guys on how to install the PC Manager on your Windows machine, and also just a quick tour of it and overall usage of the application. It's very simple to use and it's free. You can download right away in the Microsoft Store, link description to the Microsoft Store link if you're interested in trying it for yourself. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this application in the comment section down below. I'd love to know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.